Cleburne Regional Airport. Automated weather observation test. 2117 Zulu. Wind 050 at 08. Visibility 10. Sky condition clear. Temperature 31. Dew point 11. Altimeter 3003. Remarks. Density altitude 2760.
Cleburne traffic, Skyhawk 1802 Victor, taking the active 33, departing on 33, turn out to the west, Cleburne.
Cleburne traffic, Cessna 7900 Zulu, 5 miles south, we'll enter the pattern on the left, downwind on 33, Cleburne.
Skywag will be a flight of 2 leaving.
Ranger traffic, red and white Pacers, enter left downwind for 1 full stop, Ranger. Ranger, red and white Pacer, left base 1, full stop, Ranger.
Ranger traffic, North American 397, back taxiing on the active, and we'll be off of it pretty quick.
Okay, southwest departure, 7.
Ranger traffic, Cessna 172, white with orange, or 5 east landing. We're going to cross over the top of the field at 3000, Ranger.
Traffic, 12 o'clock, 1 mile, 1,100 feet below.
Ranger traffic, 172, white with orange, passing over the top of the field at 3,000 feet. We'll do a 360 out west and report back for landing.
Traffic, 10 o'clock, 2 miles, 700 feet below.
Ranger traffic, 172, white with orange, make a 360 west of the field at 2 miles, enter a left downwind for 01, full stop, Ranger.
Traffic, 11 o'clock, 1 mile, 300 feet above.
Ranger traffic, Skyhawk 02 Victor, for 2 west of the field, white over orange Cessna. We're entering a left downwind for 01, full stop, Ranger. Ranger traffic, 172, white with orange, turning final 01, full stop, Ranger.
Short final runway 01.
Ranger traffic, Super Cub flight of 2 is entering left downwind for runway 1, full stop.
Ranger field, white over orange, Cessna 172 clear the active. about less than 1,000.
$180, 172, are you good to depart?
I wanted to cross over to run up.
02 Victor, go ahead and cross over. Steve, are you ready to depart?
I'm ready.
Go ahead and roll. Fairchild, is this a full stop?
Negative. Fairchild was just going to do a lower approach, but I got them in sight. We'll maintain visual.
Sounds good.
Nice takeoff.
Traffic, 3 o'clock, half mile, 200 feet above. Traffic short final runway 19.
Zero 02 Victor, you ready?
Roger.
All right, go ahead and depart. 02 Victor, yellow tail dragger taxiing to the north. Come on, go ahead, come on up.
Roger. Appreciate it, Jared. Looking for 64.
Traffic, 7 o'clock, 1 mile, 200 feet above.
Fort Worth Center, Skyhawk 1802 Victor.
1802 Victor, go ahead.
We're about 2 south-southeast of Ranger, Foxtrot 23, request flight following direct to Charlie, Papa, Tango, Cleburne, 3,500.
02 Victor, okay, squawk 3051.
3051, 02 Victor.
Number 1802 Victor, you're ready to contact about 3 miles southwest of Fox 23, 3,500. What is the type of aircraft again?
It's a Cessna 172 Skyhawk.
Skyhawk, okay, thank you, sir. And the Clark altimeter 3019er.
3019, 02 Victor.
Two Victor, traffic to 3 o'clock at about 3 miles. They're at 3,000 now, still tracking northbound.
Got him on ADSB, but negative contact, 02 Victor.
02 Victor, I'm sorry to do this to you, but I just don't trust this guy. Come left, turn left, heading 300. I'm going to bring you back around.
Airplane in sight, no factor. He's going to cross behind me, 02 Victor.
Okay, all right, thanks, man. You can resume navigation. I appreciate you.
Appreciate your help, 02 Victor.
Three 5 Whiskey is traffic in sight.
5 Whiskey, more traffic.
Cleburne Regional Airport. Automated weather observation test. 1726 Zulu. Wind calm. Visibility 10. Sky condition broken 5,500. Temperature 28. Dew point 17. Altimeter 3009er for marks. Density altitude 2370.
November 02 Victor, the airport is going to be 12 o'clock for you guys in about 1 to 4 miles.
Roger that. We can switch over VFR. You sound busy today. 02 Victor.
I am never too busy. 02 Victor, you can squawk VFR, change to advisor frequency approved. Have a good one, sir.
We'll proceed VFR. Appreciate your help today. 02 Victor.
No problem, man. Have a good weekend. 45 Romeo, VFR traffic off your left there, 11 o'clock and about 9 miles, or southwest bound, indicates 8,500 type is unknown.
I'll keep a lookout for them. Looks like they're going to cross in front of me before I get there. Their VFR, they're in the clouds right now.
Oh, that's super legal.
Yeah, I'm about 500 feet above them.
Okay.
Cleburne traffic, Skyhawk 02 Victor, 10 northwest landing, Cleburne.
Cleburne traffic, Skyhawk 1330 Yankee, right base 15, touch and go Cleburne.
Cleburne traffic, Skyhawk 02 Victor, 4 to the northwest. We're going to do a 360 northwest of the field at Cleburne to wait on traffic, 02 Victor.
Cleburne traffic 2 for Victor, right base 15, Cleburne.
Cleburne traffic, Skyhawk 1330 Yankee is on the go for 15, going to make him right close traffic 15, Cleburne.
Cleburne traffic, Skyhawk 02 Victor. We're going to enter on the 45 right downwind, 15 full stop, Cleburne. Cleburne traffic, Skyhawk 02 Victor, entering a right downwind for 15 Cleburne.
Cleburne traffic 2 for Victor, right base 15, Cleburne.
Cleburne traffic, Skyhawk 02 Victor, right downwind will be number 2 for landing 15 Cleburne.
6 o'clock, 1 mile, same altitude.
Cleburne traffic, Skyhawk 02 Victor, short final 15 full stop, Cleburne.
One mile final runway 15. Traffic, 2 o'clock, 1 mile, 100 feet above. 500. Traffic, 1 o'clock, 2 miles, 500 feet above.
Cleburne traffic, Skyhawk 02 Victor, clear of the active on golf, Cleburne.
Cleburne traffic, Skyhawk 1330 Yankee, right base 15 full stop, Cleburne.